Okay, so parts laid out here for issue 55. I've built the Valentino Rossi Moto GP bike. It's airbox, inlet, duct. Once again, yeah, very nicely detailed with this carbon fibre effect. Yeah, it's going to be, I think we're just going to be building this, putting it on the airbox and then actually attaching the airbox to the main engine part. So yeah, not a great deal of parts in this, but going to be a nice detailed addition to the model. So this will be issue 55 of the Build the Valentino Rossi bike. Okay, so it's showing that you've got basically, I'm looking, oh yes, so you've got some pins in here and some holes in there, and you're basically going to just attach this together and push it together, I believe. It's just a push fit. I'm sure there's going to be interference fit pins, so it should go together quite well. You just got to use a bit of brute force, I think. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, just a bit of brute force to fit that together. Yeah, that's okay. So that's what the airbox inlet duct looks like. Okay, now it's telling me to bring the airbox over, and obviously the engine part we've got here. And you've got your 4 holes there for the inlets for the well, the fuel injection system. Carburetors would have been in the day. And you've got to kind of mix them up or match those up, feeding this through the 4 holes, kind of go onto there, and you just gently push these on with not too much force. There is some kind of pipe, you know, flexible pipes. You've got to try to avoid getting them trapped, I guess. Some of the ones here, yeah, so that kind of goes through there, and then you're just kind of pushing the airbox down, I guess, into these holes, which looks quite difficult to get them lined up. Okay, that was just a little bit fiddly. I just kind of had to move the inlets around a little bit, but kind of got it in okay in the end. It's very heavy. It's not very easy to move around this at the moment. And then that comes off. So it's very difficult. Okay, actually says not to glue, so I'm not going to glue it, but yeah, I've got that in now. I'm happy with that. Then you take the bit that we've just done on this one and you just kind of press it in. And what you've got is you've got 2 holes. I'll make sure, so these holes here line up with the holes on the frame, and then just do them up with the type C screws you got in this issue. There we go. There we go. So the airbox is in, yeah, and the inlet duct is also in. So that what that kind of looks like. It's very annoying. I don't particularly like it because you're having to balance it on stuff, and it's very heavy now. This is, but yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was issue 55 of the Valentino Rossi bike. Yep, fitting that air duct inlet and the airbox itself. Issue 56 is coming on, and what is in issue 56? It's fairing support. Okay, yeah, doing some work on the engine as well. Another pipe for the engine, but yeah, another pipe for the engine and this fairing support, but that'll be issue 56, and that will be coming up soon.